Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both displays and measuring key variables. First, set each monitor to its native resolution and match refresh rates if possible. This reduces scaling differences. Next, check ambient light and viewing angle because glare and tilt change perceived color and contrast. Finally, use the same connection type and set color depth to at least 8-bit. Once done, you'll have eliminated basic hardware and environmental mismatches that would otherwise sabotage calibration. Now you perform precise calibration to align color and gamma. Use a colorimeter and software to target a D65 white point, about 6500 K and gamma 2. That establishes a shared baseline. Adjust each monitor's OSD controls, brightness, contrast, color temperature, and RGB gains guided by the meter. After profiling, install the generated ICC profiles through the operating system or GPU control panel. Then compare standardized finish by matching luminance and running final checks. Measure and set both monitors to the same luminance in CD per square meter so brightness appears consistent at your working distance. This is often more important than percentage settings. Once matched, use soft-proofing images and confirm at typical viewing distance to catch remaining differences. If you still see discrepancies, make sure cables, GPU drivers, and panel types aren't limiting factors. Swapping cables or updating drivers often fixes lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.